Hello guys and gals, this is Juan from GeoDemesne, and today I'm going to be making a short video on our regulatory geospatial data library. This is going to be the fourth post on organizing geospatial data collections. I have logged into the district using SSL VPN, started ArcMap, and started the regulatory geospatial data library form. Now what you see on the screen is our search tool, and it's following the SCS-FIE naming convention. So entity sets, entity classes, and entity types. The actual name of the feature classes follow a convention, and that is that at the beginning we have the geographic name of the feature. You will have parentheses for discriminators. For example, these antennas, they're all the same geographic feature name, and so we need discriminators to differentiate them. Then we will have an E for extent, and then an extent. It will say Florida district or some other geographic area. We have Y for the year, and then we have S for sources. The nice thing about this system is that everything is loaded from a database directly into memory, and because these names are so verbose, the keyword searches are extremely powerful, and it's very, very quick. So let's try some of these. I can click on a filter, and I can filter by geometry, and then I can click on, for example, point, and it'll filter so that we're only seeing point data. We can filter by polygon. We can also click up here and filter by server. But most people don't use those filters. Most people use the entity set and entity class filters. So to filter an entity set, we click on here. These are all the different SDSFIE entity sets. I'll pick on boundaries. And so now I'm looking at 72 feature classes that are boundaries. And then I may want to just pull out South Florida Water Management District boundaries. I click on here. And you can see that the number goes down. So now we're looking at 22 different data sets over here. Okay, then I can click it, and then if there's metadata, the metadata will be presented over here, including the time period of content and horizontal datum, and also the source name as to where this thing is coming from. And so you can see that we're also following the SDS-FIE convention on the SDE server. So this is BD stands for boundary, WMD stands for water management district, and then the actual feature name is SERP region. We also provide a preview of the attribute table. We pull out like the first 20 records just so that you can see the fields. And then we also create a thumbnail. If metadata is available on the server, we can click the metadata button and we'll get the metadata. There's no metadata available for this guy though. But that's okay because I don't maintain this file. Don't shoot the messenger. Okay, so let me show you some other entity set filtering. I'm going to click on permits. And then I'm going to click on South Florida Water Management District permits. This menu system also allows you to refine your searches by having an additional tab up here for refined searches. So let me show you how that works. I'm going to pick these water use permits. And you see when you pick certain of these data sets, you'll get additional tabs for more options. So instead of just loading an entire layer, we can use this tool over here on the right to create definition queries to only pull out select features from the overall layer. So very powerful. That concludes this video. You can follow my blog at GeoDemesne, that's GeoDemesne.org. wordpress.com. And I'll see you guys next week.